Welcome to Adventures.
Alright, Pikachu, we've got our coolest 124 scale monster trucks. Are you ready to race them? Alright, so for our first round, we've got El Toro Loco versus Dragon. Are you ready, Asher? 1, 2, 3. Asher, you won. High five. Alright, so you're gonna do Bigfoot? Alright, so for the second race, we've got Torque 22 versus Bigfoot.
These are the Hot Wheels ones, right?
Yep.
These ones do really well.
Alright, you ready, Pikachu? Alright, 1, 2, 3.
I knew those ones were gonna go farther. I backed up.
Alright, I'll count for you, Pikachu. Alright, so for the last race, it's just gonna be Pikachu racing Lucas Stabilizer. Are you ready? And he says it's a Monster Jam truck.
Oh, good job, Pikachu.
Ready, Pikachu? 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo! Where are you running to, Pikachu? He's off. I think Pikachu made it the farthest.
Pikachu, come back, come back. All right, Pikachu, help me gather up the monster trucks. All right, help me gather them all. Go get Bigfoot.
Go get me. Yeah.
Okay, come here. I have an idea. All right, so we're gonna line them up, and all you're gonna do, you're gonna push your favorite one first, and then you pick your next favorite one, and you go down the line, okay? Okay, what's your favorite? Push that one. Push it. I thought El Toro Loco was your favorite.
Well, now that these ones go farther.
I think Bigfoot is the favorite now. All right, second favorite. Nicely done. Third favorite. Go, Pikachu, go. All right, fourth favorite. Torque. All right. Go ahead. Is Dragon your least favorite now? It can't be. All right, give it a push. All right, high five.
Hi.
All right, can we say thank you to our adventure friends?
Yeah.
All right, come here, come on. Thank you, adventure friends.
Thank you, adventure friends. Have a good time. Starring me, Asher.